The Femi NG120 is an easily portable mitering bandsaw. An arm-locking pin aids in portability. The saw miters at one way up to 60 degrees for more versatile cutting. The cutting capacities are 4 inches by 4 inches square or 4 inches round at 90 degrees, 3 1/4 inches by 3 1/4 inches square or 3 1/4 inches round at 45 degrees, and 1 3/4 inches by 1 3/4 inches square or 2 inches round at 60 degrees. The NG120 uses the NG or New Generation system that provides 60% faster cutting than other saws of this capacity. The Femi NG120 uses a 1/2-inch blade driven by an infinitely variable speed motor. Blade speed can be adjusted from 115 to 262.5 feet per minute. This saw also comes equipped with a digital speed regulator to maintain constant blade speed. Reverse blade rotation in the NG system provides added stability, higher accuracy, and speed. The blade is easily accessed for quick blade changing and has simplified blade tensioning with a clutch safety to ensure correct blade tension. The adjustable guide arms slide closer to the part, providing more beam strength to the blade, allowing for straighter and more accurate cuts. Vising is manual and easily adjusts to clamp the material, holding the workpiece securely during the cut. The saw has a manual pull down and head lift and a steady, sturdy pressed steel base. An adjustable bar stop saves time and money. Parts can be cut to the same length repeatedly without constant measurement. The Femi NG120 has an ergonomically designed handle for less strain on the operator. Portability is a huge benefit of the NG120, making this saw ideal for workshops and smaller shops in any production shop. It weighs only 39 pounds and uses standard 110 voltage. In addition, the NG120 does not require coolant for lubrication.